Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So let's talk about shorts. Okay, do you want to start shorts? Now is the right time. Not because it's 2024, no. Okay, it's just because the rates right now are better that compare it last year, I think. Prior to 2023, it's better though. But anyway, somehow we still earn revenue, right? So how are you going to start shorts? Just do a portrait, not landscape, portrait mode. It's a 9 by 16 size or format. Okay, it's very easy. And if you're just starting out, I would try for you guys to only make 14 seconds of a video. Okay, start it with yourself first, just to get how you call it, to get comfortable with the platform. Okay, and do text. Okay, make it engaging, and you can ask the questions. It's the thing with the shorts is that you can ask the questions. It's not a flag about a fake engagement. No, as long as it's entertaining, as long as it is engaging and it makes sense, why not? Okay, so you can have the power to make your video more intriguing if you do a question a format video. Okay, so that's just one tip. And if you like one of your passion, do it. The thing with shorts here is that there's no it's limitless on the content you can create. It's not only specific on niches. Okay, so short has a different audience, so you can experiment and you can have how you call that, an adventure of making different kinds of videos: food, entertainment, fitness, money matters, because I tried it all. And each time it's good. And for me right now, it's more views for me is the entertainment part, where it's the funny comedy part. Okay, so that's what I'm focusing on. And when I started in the beginning, it was more on like photographers work, where I do comments on the pictures, right? Because I'm still starting out, learning how to edit, how to make animation in a very simplest way. That's what you're gonna do, you guys. It's a progressive skills that you can learn here in shorts. Okay, and the good thing now here that shorts already has a how you call it, a functions that you can edit. Just if you're still starting out, if you don't know how any software or like that. But if you know how, try CapCut. CapCut is the one that I'm using right now, and it's free. And if you want a pro, you can buy, you can purchase or subscribe. But I want the free one, the free version. I'm only using it, and look at how amazing that I'm doing with my shorts. So even though it's a free mode, I can still do something with it, right? So just how you do your concept, your ideas, make it engaging and make it fun. So what matters is that you are having fun with what you're creating, and that's what matters. Okay, so yeah, you guys, if you want to create shorts right now, and or if you want to gain subscriber, yes, you go one way or another. The subscriber count in shorts is amazing. You can get it easy in a matter of 28 days. I got, what is it, like 11,000 subscriber in 1 month. But that's amazing, right? So you can do it, you guys. So just have fun. Don't focus yet on the money. Okay, since you're starting out, you are not yet monetized. So but if you are monetized, no problem. If you want to grow your channel, gain more subscriber, right? But the thing is that you cannot convert your short audience to long form audience, but it depends on the content that you're making. Okay, mine is different, so that's why I cannot convert my audience of shorts to long form. So that's it, you guys. To sum you up, okay, if you want to make short videos, start with 15 seconds. I would say 14 seconds just to be safe. Okay, 14 seconds. Have some music, have some sound effects, text, and ideas, and make it more engaging. Okay, so that's it. That's my take for today. How you create shorts. Okay, that's it, you guys. I hope you learned something out from this video. Until next time.